up, guys, and welcome back to Dad Jams. Today I'm going to be reacting to Stick Figure, Sound of the Sea. Now, this came out like 7 years ago, but it's got over 26 million views on YouTube. I know this band, I know this song, and I love it. I love these guys. This is like, once that summer hits, it's Stick Figure, it's Dirty Heads, it's Elevators, like Bob Marley. Like, they're constantly on the mix. We're hitting the beach, they're on the radio. That's it. I mean, and I don't even know if you call it a radio anymore. But they're getting played no matter where we go. So anyways, I know this song. I've never seen the video, though. But we're just going to have a good time, guys. Good vibes, good time. Let's fucking do it. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Anything you want me to react to, put it in the comments. But without further ado, Stick Figure, Sound of the Sea. I started it early. Hold on. Here we go, here we go. Ah, yes. There he is, Stick. Oh, and there's Coco the dog. Guys, before we go on, he brings this dog, so I saw him last summer at a festival. The band. I mean, he's the guy, but the band. This dog goes on stage with him wherever he goes. It's incredible. He just kind of walks around, lays down, hangs out. People will throw beach balls and he'll chase them. It's amazing. I mean, and it perfectly fits just the feel of the music and what they're all about. All right, let's keep going. I think it's Coco's the name. Coco the dog. Drop it. Woo! Hey! 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 Oh, God, you can feel it, guys. How good does this feel? I don't fish, but come on. I'm thinking, but my mind's not listening. Here we go, drop it. I never felt so far away. I've never lived before today. I mean, the video's like, it's a little trippy, but I like it. Like Hawaii, maybe? No dogs. Haha. Guys, does this just not remind you of the beach, the summer, just a tropical setting? Oh, I love it. And the way that he makes this music, it's just like this slow, just chill, it's just good. You just feel good, you know? Fuck! Is it beach season yet? All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I feel like I should have a Hawaiian shirt on for this. I'm waiting for a brighter day. And I believe it, that good things are coming my way. So keep dreaming. I'm feeling like I'm dreaming always. I mean, this video, while it's trippy, I love it. Visually, it's incredible. I don't know how they do this. They're just overlaying a bunch of different, this is me overlaying things. They're just doing a bunch of different pieces of footage, I guess? It looks like California right there. Those trees, sequoia trees. Oh, what up, Coco? stars, the beach, the ocean. I just want all of it. It's so good. Just come on, just vibe it out with me. You can't not just move to this. Love that part. I don't know how they do that. The trailing drum. Here it is. Ready? Oh. Sorry. Sorry, that wasn't it. Here, maybe now? Nope. I think they do it again at some point. God, they have like the shooting stars going across.
The music making us stronger. Just a little bit longer. Our music making us stronger. Just a little bit longer. Our music making us stronger.
I don't want it to end. This is just, the vibe is so good.
Just a little bit longer. In the eyes of the world.
Oh. I'll hear it, the sound of the sea. Yes. Yo, what up, Coco? Guys, I love that. I mean, I know the song, I know the band. I've seen these guys before live, but their sound is incredible. The music he makes is so good. I just want to be at the beach. I just want to be at the beach. I want to be at the beach. I want it to be hot. I want it to be summertime. I want to just feel the warmth of the sun, go swimming in the ocean. I just want to be at the beach when I listen to that music, guys. Stick Figure, Sound of the Sea. I'm going to give it a Dad Jam score 7.7. 7.7. I mean, it was good. The song is incredible. The visual part of that music video I've never seen anywhere else. It's incredible. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they edit it together. I don't know how they put that together. But it's very much aligned with the feel of the music and the feel of the band and the brain of Mr. Stick. I don't know what his real name is. We'll call him Mr. Stick. Anyways, guys, and it had a dog. It had Coco in it. How could you go wrong? You can't. So there you go. There's the score. Stick Figure, Sound of the Sea, Dad Jam score. Did I give it 7.7? What did I give it? 7.7. Anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, comment below with whatever you want me to react to. And I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to go to the goddamn beach right now.